I remember my nigga Dream said, hey, blood, be patient. That Billy ain't gonna come to you. I swear to God, you gotta take it. You gotta take it.
This is like a Jolly Rancher, and you wanna fuck your button twice.
I definitely want to fuck it twice.
Double fuck that shit.
Definitely double fuck. Definitely gotta double fuck. I look like the Power Rangers when they had went to do when they had turned into ninjas. Oh, bro. You ever seen that movie, the Power Rangers movie? The Mighty Morphin Power Rangers movie? You remember when they had went to be ninjas? Yes, sir. Yeah, y'all see me, new drip. Y'all see me, yo. Y'all can't even see my shirt like that. I'm actually upset about that. Oh, there it is. Oh, that bitch hard. That bitch hard. No. Check me out though. That's the deal, YouTube. Oh God, it's your boy Dream, back with another video. It's not that I don't like edibles, it's just I've never personally felt like I've got high off of edibles. We finna pull up at this place, it's called Wake and Bakery. Yeah, we gonna see if we can get high off of edible today, cause
I always get high.
I ain't never. And introducing our lovely guest. I was trying to let you get all ready and stuff. Hey.
Hey y'all, I'm Trustyyy. How y'all doing?
It's Trustyyy, fuck to that. Oh God. We gonna put all that info down right up in here stuff. Gang. But yeah, so she's somebody that I know that has been, that has got high off edibles before. So I wanted to bring somebody with experience since, I ain't got some, and so since you being an expert, you know what I'm saying? But I want to ask, have you ever?
I'm not an expert. I guess if you know the science of baking and you know the science of cannabis and how oil and things works, and you just ask the people that their process, you'll know right then and there if the shit gonna be good or not.
All right, so how long have you been eating edibles?
About good 6 years now.
Okay. And what are your favorite type of edibles?
I like the crispy treats or the gummies.
Okay. All right.
As far as candy, but everybody's starting to get into food now, so the best cannabis food I've had so far, I would have to say, are like these sweet potato nacho fries. They're really good.
Sweet potato nacho. That actually kind of sounds decent, but the sweet potato that'll throw me off because the sweetness. But that actually kind of sounds decent.
The way they fry their potatoes, they ain't really sweet. They make it really savory. So.
Have you ever had Delta 8?
Yes.
And how do you like it?
I don't like to smoke that shit. Excuse my language, but I don't like to smoke it. It does nothing for me. I guess me with the tolerance that I have, it does absolutely nothing. So yeah, let's see how the edibles work out.
Yeah, so this place, they use Delta 8 in their edibles. So again, never tried Delta 8. I've talked to a couple of people that have tried it, and they said it's not the best smoking experience. It's not the worst smoking experience. It's more of a CBD experience, if you guys know what that means. Like it's more of a medical body, you know what I'm saying? It's for relieving pain and stuff like that. I do work a physical job, and we're gonna see if this relieves some of the aches and pains that I do be having, y'all. And we're gonna see if I actually get a feeling from it or whatever. We're gonna give y'all all that.
And also, we also gonna try it on somebody who got real pain, I have a cousin who is a diabetic and who has pain in her hands and her feet and her eyes. She can't see in one eye, so sometimes when she eats certain edibles or has a certain strain of weed, her vision gets clearer. So I would definitely be getting some for her, and we will keep y'all updated on that. Because when she smoked the Delta 8, she liked it.
I apologize. I know y'all probably like, what is he looking at, bro? It was a bee trying to get up in here, bro.
It was big as fuck.
I was just so scared.
That was like a fucking. It looked like it was inside, so it threw me off a little bit too. But once I realized it was still outside, it was cool.
Oh man. Nah, but we finna go up in here, y'all. Go ahead, like up, comment, subscribe. Hey, let us know what y'all think finna be what's the best thing to grab up in here, you know what I'm saying? What y'all would have grabbed, you know what I'm saying? Let us know. Yeah, we finna go up in. Let's go. That thing kind of crazy, you know what I'm saying? She was trying to match me.
How?
She was fake trying to match me.
How?
Cause I definitely got ready before her.
But how am I trying to match you?
Y'all see the color schemes. Y'all see it. It's a beautiful day in Chicago, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. Welcome to Wake and Bakery. Yeah, I see what's going on, bro. Y'all don't even understand how lit it is, bro.
Purchase your tracks today.
And for you, my guy? My ladies, enjoy your high.
Enjoy your high.
You want a large electric lemonade that tastes like a Jolly Rancher, and you want a fucking what's it like?
I definitely want to fuck it twice.
Double fuck that shit.
Definitely double fuck. Definitely gotta double fuck.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Hey, yeah, it's gonna get real groovy. Y'all gonna be in that stand. I'm gonna take this thing to the face. To the face, yeah.
Purchase your tracks today.
So I gotta fuck it. You gotta double fuck it.
Yeah. I don't want to be able to walk. Yeah.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
If anybody know this girl in real life, y'all already know. She definitely just had to put that headset aside, so go ahead, tell the people how that thing is. Oh yeah, everybody drop a comment, tell Miss Trustyyy happy birthday. Y'all seen the mask. I know y'all just seen the mask. Tell them stop playing with you.
Chicken.
That's good?
It's good.
You like it?
This tastes better than the chai teas I get from Starbucks.
Wow, really?
And freaking
Really?
Dunkin' Donuts. Dunkin' Donuts will fell off hard, but this shit is good.
Hey, no Dunkin' Donuts slander, okay?
First of all, you know I love me a culotta. Don't do that. I just said the chai tea and all that good.
I definitely, and we're not sponsored, but Dunkin', you can definitely get at me because I love a strawberry large culotta.
Gotta be large.
Add me a little extra strawberry up in there. It's gonna be good for all day. I promise you. I'm gonna go ahead and slide this tricky straw up in there. Go ahead and see what's. Okay.
Good.
Yeah. Yeah, I like that. I don't know where the double fucky come in at.
I guess we'll tell you about that part later.
Yeah, so I this obviously gonna have to be
we
like
ain't ate today. So
we haven't eaten today, so yeah, this gonna be breakfast. This should be interesting. Been crying all day.
don't do that. I've been crying because of my allergies.
Been crying all day. Y'all see a tip? If y'all see a TikTok, I ain't do nothing to this girl. Don't be trying to talk about, oh yeah, you bullying her on her birthday. I ain't do nothing, okay? She crying on her own. No, but we just, feel me? Nice little Rice Krispie. She got the little, y'all can't see it right now, bro. It's look, it's a lot going on.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, y'all can't see it
don't
right
want to
now.
let us be great.
I'll show y'all. I'll probably have to show y'all later. Give y'all a little close up of the leg. But yeah, I'm finna. I guess I'm gonna please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you kindly. Thank you kindly. Cause it's dangerous out here, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Health and wealth to everybody. Y'all make sure y'all stay on top of it. That looks actually crazy. I was gonna get one of those. I think they only like 40 or something like that.
60.
Oh, they're 60. You know me, y'all. I wanted to max out. I wanted to really see if I could feel it. So I was like, hey, give me the highest everything.
Of course.
They wrap this thing like a brick. For real.
I tried to take my Oreo out so I can give me a better bite, but I'm gonna take the whole cupcake apart. So they had they shit refrigerated, y'all, as y'all can see. Frosted a little hard.
Is we already feeling the drinks? What's going on? Like, the hell?
I just told you I was selling mine. I should have got a double fucking too.
You heard, dude. Trying to fuck it twice. Yes, I is.
Trying to fuck it once. Trying to fuck it twice.
Yes, I is. Okay. This smell exactly like the fruity. You know what I'm saying?
You do. Let me see.
Like exactly like it. This one is super soft too, y'all. Look.
Ooey gooey.
Yeah, I don't taste nothing but, you know what I'm saying? Again,
Is it good at least?
how would I know? Tastes like cereal, so it's good breakfast.
No, it's not, sir.
One piece?
That is not breakfast.
The drinks are definitely recommended. This shit right here.
Oh. Sorry, y'all. We're in Chicago in the morning time on a Monday. There's like 3 trucks I deliver to like 3 different businesses right here in this one area. And these cars is just smacking the mess out of the side of these trucks. Definitely tastes like a nutritious bowl of cereal.
Hey,
Even though it ain't nothing nutritious about it. This is all sugar.
my audience that's not from Chicago, I'm pretty sure they already know my slogan by now. No lacking. There's no lacking. You gotta be on point. And be a lot of stuff going on in Chicago sometimes. And it just so happened where we at right now by this place. Yeah, like she said, it's crazy. It's madness. Like people really don't know how to drive. Yep. It's funny because y'all can't see, y'all ain't see what I just said. How's the frosting?
Super sweet. It's good. Let's see what the cake looks like. Well, if you're allergic to nuts, don't get it. Because they definitely use like an almond base. But this is good. Tastes that a lot, but this shit is good.
Did they use real Oreos in the frosting?
But
It definitely looked like it.
I should not be eating this fast.
I'm trying to think, like, am I feeling something right now? Like,
Nah, look. I kind of feel like you be trying to be in denial. Like these motherfuckers just don't work. And you're not gonna believe all them shots she put up in your shit.
but I don't know if y'all like seeing like how she was just kept squirting that thing. She just kept squirting that thing.
So I gotta fuck it. You gotta double fuck it.
Yeah. I don't want to be able to walk. Yeah.
And
You tried to kill me.
yeah, I am drinking this a little bit. Eating this thing too. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know. y'all. I don't know. Can't get you too high anyway, cause you got stuff to do with it.
I'm going out to eat. So I need to be too high for later.
Touche. So like, will smoking be cheating?
Do we have to finish them before we smoke again? Cause I don't want to do that.
I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm not gonna eat this whole thing in one sitting. I'm
Well, at least
gonna
put
try
it
to
in
eat.
half.
I'm gonna try to eat half of it right
So
now.
you can tell them like you at least ate 50. But my shit's supposed to be 60. So what I'm only ate like what?
30.
Shit. That's about a good.
You ate like.
It's mostly frosted.
That's probably where it's all at.
And that's gonna piss me off. If I don't sit here and eat this cake.
That's probably where it's all at.
You probably right.
That's why they you never seen that video like how you supposed to eat a cupcake?
Put it up, turn it over,
Mhm.
and put it together. Yeah, nah. This frosting was gonna go right through that cake.
Look like she having such a hard time, man.
Y'all see all this? All this is frosting. This is a lot. You know the way me and my stomach set up.
You and your what?
My stomach.
How long have you been smoking? Or, you know, just ingesting weed? Well, I guess it had to start with smoking, right?
Mm-hmm.
So how long have you been smoking?
I'm like
If it's gonna get you in trouble, don't say nothing. Because I know how your family is.
Since I was like 17. And I went away to college when I was 17.
Look, caveat, I was already grown and away from home.
I really started. I promise you, I was now. Alcohol, I always drank, but smoking, I didn't start. I was one of them. What smoking?
Yeah, because okay, look, caveat.
No.
Look, caveat. We've known each other from high school, so you know what I'm saying. She always used to like. I ain't gonna lie, I've been this person since high school. She always just used to be the good girl and y'all don't need to be doing that. Oh my god.
I wasn't a good girl. I was the irritating motherfucker. Damn, can we just go please? We gotta stop and smoke before every fucking stop. Before every destination. First of all, and then we was in high school. Where y'all getting all this weed from?
You're asking too many questions.
Yeah, I can't say no. I was 3 for the 50 with the patrol.
Hey, that was a beautiful time back in the day. 3 for 50. It's a beautiful time. I was talking about Nick. I was talking about Nick the other day with DJ on her. And what Nick's was for the weed community, 3 for the 50 was for the alcohol community. Cause that used to, boy, you show up to the party lit. You got 3 bars, what? And let it be a good night. You show up with 6 bottles, a case of liquor.
Bad as hell. Cause now I'm 25. And me and alcohol don't get along like that.
Did you enjoy your birthday celebrations?
I did. We'll talk to you about this ghetto ass boat, but that's a whole nother video. Okay.
Yeah, so if y'all want a part 2, you know, a little smoke sesh, you know what I'm saying, story time, her just explaining her birthday exploits and the Titanic boat ride from hell, go ahead, like up the video and comment, you know what I'm saying, say, hey, bring Trustyyy back, you know what I'm saying, we need that, we need all that, yeah, go ahead, cause you know, she got the ratchets, you know what I'm saying, she got the ratchets, so you know, it's gonna be a crazy story.
I had the ratchets, but I also had the exquisites, because baby, the Sword House did their thing, okay? We'll talk about that.
Shout out to them folks, you know what I'm saying, definitely shout out to them folks. Like I said, y'all, I ain't have this thing.
That is not half.
That what that ain't?
Half is to like right here.
Alright, she want me to eat some more. That's cool.
Look, is this half, y'all?
She want me to eat some more. That's cool.
Big old brick.
I ain't no pump. I ain't got to drive today.
Purchase your tracks today.
Yeah, I might be feeling something. Hold on. Hold on.
You ain't even drank nothing.
What you mean? I got, first of all, she put my thing all the way to the top. She put like 16 shots of fucking in her. And I'm eating 100 milligrams.
50.
Well, really, it's
30.
1,000.
How is it 1,000?
It's 1,000. Look at the wrapper.
I'm gonna show them before I show you. Nah, you getting this. What that say, y'all?
Hey, nah, look. I seen the G.
What's 100
I seen the G.
plus 120?
And I thought, you know what I'm saying?
Because apparently, today is 1,000.
Look, all I'm saying is, the temperature is rising. My head feeling all type of different. Maybe it's because I ain't ate. I don't know, man.
It's sweet as hell.
It is. That's why I say that you gotta get a drink if you gonna get this. But this ain't nothing to play with. Not even though you know what I'm saying? I don't think I'm overly high. It's just like, bruh, it's so sticky and stuff. Like, it's taking me out. If that's not half, y'all kiss my ass. No.
Alright. That's half.
How about eat me slowly?
Why we ain't asking how long it take for this shit to work? I know it's different for everybody type, but they gotta have an average.
I mean, we right here. We go back in there. 9 times out of 10, they're gonna be like, yep, you have. If you gotta come back in and ask, it's working. Yeah, they're doing the job. Hey, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm literally over here thinking about edits and stuff, bro. Cause like I know, yeah. Alright, so I think Delta 8 works good in like foods and stuff like that. Probably not the thing to smoke. Put it in your food. Put it in your drink.
Yeah. Delta ain't shit but diet weed. Well, it's the za of diet weed.
Yeah, cause CBD juice.
Yeah. That's for people who can't even handle a pain pill. But it's doing a lot and working in the community.
Right, you just
Shout out to them.
you just shit on so many people. Hey, no.
It does a lot.
Shout out to the CBD community, you know what I'm saying? Cause if it weren't for y'all, this whole thing that, you know, we got going as a THC community, you know.
True. Wouldn't have even been possible without y'all getting this started. So
Definitely gratitude. I don't even know.
I know.
It's different right here. I don't know, bro, cause I still ain't ready to give edibles they full credit, cause I'm ready to see a rocket ship. So I need to try some.
At this point, y'all, we finna finish this up and see y'all later.
A little later.
Talking about, yeah, we gon' huh?
We gonna get you more of this.
What you mean? Why do I need more? I don't need to be spazzing.
You dream of that other nigga.
Bro, watch out.
Cause if you're a dream, we're gonna have to get you more of this, like the fuck I said, so you can stay chill the fuck out.
Anywho. As you were. How do you feel?
That just tickled your soul, huh?
How do you feel?
I feel very relaxed. I feel the high. Like I said, it's not a head high at all, but this one I actually feel. I feel like it's not gonna last long at all, but I feel it.
Yeah, I definitely feel, definitely. I said definitely twice in the same sentence, so you already know. I'm chilling though. I'm cool. I finished this whole drink. I don't know if I feel like I got fucked by something twice, but
What's this place?
I definitely want to fuck it twice.
Double fuck that shit.
Definitely double fuck. Definitely got to double fuck.
I'm cooler. You know, definitely relaxed. Like I got like a nice hand job or something. You know. I ain't getting no hand job.
Hello? The fuck? Your ass play too much. But alright, Waking Bakery. Y'all did y'all thing. I will definitely be stopping by again for another drink.
Yeah,
Probably give
drinks
me a
definitely.
cookie something next time.
I definitely suggest getting a drink, y'all.
They have a lot of different options, as you can see. Of course, we're gonna see the menu later.
You gonna when I come back, I'm gonna show y'all what I get next time. Well, no, when I come back, y'all gonna have to follow me on social media because I'm gonna post it over there. So you know what I'm saying. Go ahead, follow your boy on your social media, on Instagrams and the Twitters, Instagrams. And yeah, like, sub, share the video, man. You know what I'm saying. It's your boy Dream. It's your girl.
Trustyyy.
So you know what I'm saying. Go ahead, hit her up on social media as well. And you know we out.